All right, this is number 2 from the review assignment from chapter 4, 4.1 to 4.5. We've got to factor it, and this one is a little weird because it has a cube in it, which we haven't really seen yet, but the concept's the same. So what do these have in common? So both of these two little factors, oh, sorry, I'm actually doing GCF factor. I should have pointed that out. Any factor question to GCF first. But what happens here is they both have a 6. They're both divisible by 6. And then they both have at least two x's. So that means I'm going to take out x squared and x squared. So my GCF, I bring that to the front, 6x squared. All right, and then what I'm left with is just the one of the x's here. I had 3, but I took away 2 and divide by 6. And then in the back here, divide by 6 to get 5, and then both x's have been pulled to the front. Right, and we can kind of tell that these are equal, right? If you were to distribute this in, you would see that it's the same thing. If you want even more drill down detail, 6x cubed is this, right? And then 30 I'm going to break to 3 times 5, and then x squared looks like that. So like if I broke these up a little bit, then we could see what they have in common is they have a 6 in common, and then they have 2 x's, and that's what's getting brought to the front. So we have 6x squared, and then all that's left up here is the x, and all that's left in the back is the 5. Right, so that's a super detailed view of it, but again, it's just a GCF factor. And on the test, that's what I'd look for every time on a factor question is start with the GCF. That's all. Thanks for watching.